Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of zucchini. In this video, we'll explore the nutritional wonders of this humble summer squash and how it can transform your health. From its crisp texture to its versatility in the kitchen, zucchini has long been cherished for its culinary charm. But beyond its culinary appeal lies a treasure trove of nutrients that can nourish the body and invigorate the spirit. Join us as we delve into the world of zucchini and uncover its many health-promoting properties. From salads to soups, stir-fries to snacks, zucchini offers endless possibilities for nutritious and delicious meals. So whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a health-conscious individual, let zucchini be your ally in the pursuit of wellness. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of this remarkable vegetable. Let's get started. Zucchini is a good source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, which helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Soluble fiber also acts as a prebiotic, providing food for beneficial gut bacteria, which contribute to gut health and may reduce the risk of digestive disorders. Zucchini has a high water content, which helps keep the stool soft and facilitates its movement through the digestive tract. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining healthy digestion, and consuming water-rich foods like zucchini can contribute to overall hydration. The fiber and nutrients in zucchini support a healthy balance of gut microbiota. A diverse and balanced gut microbiome is associated with better digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health. The prebiotic properties of zucchini fiber promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Zucchini is considered low in fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols, FODMAPs, which are types of carbohydrates that can cause digestive discomfort in some people, particularly those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or other functional gastrointestinal disorders. Some compounds found in zucchini exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Zucchini contains enzymes that aid in the breakdown and digestion of food. These enzymes, such as amylase, lipase, and protease, help the body efficiently digest carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, respectively. What's more, zucchini can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan. It's naturally low in calories, making it a great option for those looking to manage their weight. 1 cup of sliced zucchini contains only about 20 calories, allowing you to enjoy a generous portion without significantly increasing your calorie intake. Zucchini is a good source of dietary fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after eating. Fiber adds bulk to your meals, slows down digestion, and helps regulate blood sugar levels, all of which contribute to a feeling of fullness and can prevent overeating. Zucchini is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, including salads, soups, stir-fries, and grilled dishes. By incorporating zucchini into your meals, you can add volume and texture without adding a lot of calories. It can also be used as a healthy substitute for higher-calorie ingredients in recipes. For example, you can use zucchini noodles, zoodles, instead of traditional pasta, or add grated zucchini to baked goods to increase moisture and reduce the amount of fat and sugar needed. The combination of fiber, water, and nutrients in zucchini helps promote feelings of satiety and satisfaction, which can help prevent unnecessary snacking and overeating throughout the day. Additionally, zucchini is composed of approximately 95% water, making it one of the most hydrating vegetables available. Eating foods with high water content can contribute to your daily fluid intake and help keep you hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and well-being. Adequate hydration supports numerous bodily functions, including temperature regulation, nutrient transport, digestion, and waste removal. Staying hydrated also helps maintain healthy skin, joints, and organs. While drinking water is essential for hydration, consuming hydrating foods like zucchini can complement your fluid intake and contribute to your overall hydration status. Including hydrating foods in your diet can be particularly beneficial during hot weather or periods of increased physical activity when fluid needs are higher. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. Zucchini contains antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can contribute to the development of cardiovascular disease by causing oxidative stress and inflammation in the blood vessels. It also contains potassium, an essential mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake can help counteract the effects of sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. Zucchini is naturally low in sodium, which is beneficial for heart health. Consuming foods low in sodium can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension and heart disease. As we mentioned before, zucchini is a good source of dietary fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels by reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the bloodstream. High levels of cholesterol are a risk factor for heart disease. Lastly, zucchini has a low glycemic index, GI, which means it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels after consumption. Foods with a low GI are digested and absorbed more slowly, leading to gradual increases in blood sugar levels and better blood sugar control. Zucchini is a good source of dietary fiber, including soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which helps prevent rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Additionally, soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels by delaying the emptying of the stomach and slowing the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. The fiber content in zucchini promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help prevent overeating and regulate appetite. By promoting satiety, zucchini can help control food intake and reduce the risk of blood sugar spikes caused by large or frequent meals. Zucchini is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients support overall health and can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. Incorporating zucchini into a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help promote blood sugar regulation and overall metabolic health. Pairing zucchini with protein-rich foods, such as grilled chicken or tofu, and healthy fats, such as avocado or olive oil, can further enhance its benefits for blood sugar management. In conclusion, zucchini is not only delicious, but also a nutritional powerhouse that offers a multitude of health benefits. From its high water content to its rich array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, zucchini supports hydration, digestion, heart health, weight management, and more. Whether grilled, sautéed, spiralized, or baked, this versatile vegetable can elevate any dish while nourishing your body from within. So next time you're at the market, remember to pick up some zucchini and savor the taste of good health. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.